Hello and welcome to Robin's Nest Railway. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing and assembly video of the Bachmann Thomas & Friends Deluxe Tidmouth sheds with manual operated turntable. Here's the back of the box. It has a bunch of other engines that you can buy from the series. They can go with the sheds. Has everything that's included in the box on the side here. We got one turntable, two sidewalls, four roof support structures, four floor support structures, 5 doors, 5 back walls, 5 roof pieces, 5 buffer ends without buffers actually attached, and then 5 straight pieces. Let's get this open. Now, I've actually gotten one of these in the past, but I did not treat it very well and it broke. So hopefully that won't happen with this one. Let's get this open here. And this area contains the actual turntable piece. And then everything else is located in this part here, if I can get it open. There we go. Not too difficult to open. Here are the instructions, which I will briefly flip through just to show them. But like I said, I've set this up in the past, so I know how to do this, so I don't actually really need the instructions, but I suggest you follow them anyway if you are getting this. The side walls, the back walls, the doors, this bag appears to have the roof supports, the floor supports, and the turntable bridge accessory pieces. Here is the pile of roof pieces. Here's all the little bits, the little roofs for the roofs, the little operator person house thing for the turntable, and some chimneys for the roofs, and then these little plastic pieces for holding the sidewalls onto the back walls and the doors. And we've got our buffer end pieces that don't actually have any buffers on them, they just stop. 5 of these. And then actual straight pieces of track are in here. Got 5 of these as well. And don't know if you can see, but there is a back and a lower, and then on this side there's a front and a lower, meaning that these are the ground supports and the doors go on the section that says front. They will not go on the section that says back. And so then you just slide the doors right into there, and you want to be careful, because if you do it too roughly and they really don't want to go in and you try to force it, you can snap these little things off. These also have the front and back for upper and back, upper and front. there are the tiniest little pieces of like this brass colored metal like conductor that gives power to the rails, and just one of those got up a little bit and it came off, and then I lost it, and when that goes it completely disables all power to the turntable and it will not work. There are currently A pieces, C pieces, B pieces, and D pieces of these little things. See, this is an A. Can kind of just see it, maybe. If I can get my hand to stop shaking, the camera to focus. Well, that's an A. And looks like A's go in the back. So on this side, an A would go here. Just snap in. You have to apply a bit of pressure, but be careful because you don't want to accidentally break it off. And then another A goes down here. Come on. There we go. And then a C goes up here, like that, and then let's see, a B goes on this part down here. And then these all kind of just gently fit in. Can't really show it very well, but it's just like everything else, they slide in. You just have to, it's just more of a sliding from the side rather than slide in from the bottom. So I'd recommend sliding in the bottom piece and then snapping in the top. On there. There we go. I'll stick that on there. And get that on there. There we go. Now, according to the directions, this one gets the A's on here and here, and then on this side it's the B piece on the bottom, and the D piece on the top. And then this should just go on exactly like the other side. Just snap it all into place. There we go. And then we get the roof, and we just stick these in there. Come on. Come on. Why is this so difficult? Go the other way. I don't think there's any way that these are supposed to go in. I think they just go in. There we go. And then the little chimney piece. Just that's Tidmouth sheds, the sheds part built. Now grab the turntable and get our straight tracks and the buffer tracks. Slide these into each other, make sure that these are lined up, and then gently slide them in. And then just do that for all of them. Once we get that finished, then want to take out 5 of these and put them aside, and then take out 5 of the green things, and then make sure that these are lined up, which will be a bit more difficult than the buffer pieces because you got the little rail joiners on both sides. Just gently and carefully slide those in, and you did not see any of that because the camera came unaligned. Let's angle it like this. Yeah, just join the rail joiners up and then push it in. And it's done. The sheds are completely assembled, and this one right here is where whatever gives you power is going to have to be plugged in, because the fourth one around is where the power goes. Right under here there's a wire that runs through to the track here, so that it can give the entire turntable power. Don't know why they decided to put it on the fourth one around. It bugs a lot of people, but I figured out a way to just deal with it. Just find whatever situation to put it on your layout that makes sense. And that's it for this video, because the camera is about to die, but I will show an engine running on the turntable at some point in the future. Goodbye.